G'day trendsetters, get a load of this. 56, 7 almost mils of rain overnight. That would be the 17th of January on Thursday 16th of January we had 6 mils, and last Sunday night in a heavy storm 70 mils of rain. So who we finally had rain. Everything's lovely and soaked and wet. I can't work in the garden today because it's too wet. Oh, this is fantastic, just walking around. And look, I've watered and fertilised and watered and mulched, and I've done everything for the last 6-8 months here, and I've just kept stuff alive. 2 inches of rain and I can already see new growth and so many plants here. You just cannot beat rain. Fan-fucking-tastic. Anyway, catch you in the next video. Cheers.